Welcome back, what's up, and I'm to my channel, and I got my new Lego puzzle box, and this is a pretty good one, better than, I think this is the best one in my channel than all of those I've showed you cups. Now, this Lego puzzle box is pretty fun, because as you can see, there's a little hole. You need to get the cabinet out, and there's some axle holes. Forgot to tell you that this is actually another kind of sliding and technical puzzle box version 2. Now it's a bit small but a bit high though. Now it's good because bigger the puzzle box it's harder and more fun. Now before the video, make sure to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and I'm going to get right into the solution. Now, do you have any things to pull out? This cabinet, you can't even reach it. Now, press in, not much brains, press in, and let's pull out something, just like this. Oh, we have a little key there. We create a hole over there. How did this work? Yes, got this in, but try to push it in. It doesn't really work. Okay, then now we try pushing the key in the different side, and we heard a little click. Might be the solution. Yes, click. Try to pull this out. Oh, we got another key. Now we try to put this key here. Yeah. Yeah. Then we some kind of try to put it here. Oh, it works. Pull this out and go. Axle. Yeah. Got a little axle. So we trying these. This doesn't work, but this work. Yeah. Push it in, but the cabinet is definitely not working again. Now try another one, because it doesn't work. Maybe there's only one technical, so we need to push technical over here, and then we can't push the axle over the hole. Now, it's pretty easy. You simply push on this piece together. Then it's able for allows you to get this through. Try to push this in. Try to get the cabinet out. Let's have a little notch like that to fix in here, so you just see flat. Then you got the little cabinet. Now you got a cabinet. You got this rising piece. Now, to solve the puzzle, we simply get up the cover and then open the main cover, just like that. And then you put the cabinet back in, and then you just lock these two cabinets, just like that. And then you put back the cover on the cabinet, just like that. And then you put back the main cover, just like that. And then you need to rotate it, and then put back the axle, like that. And then pull this out and push this. Okay, we get this little piece out first. Now I push this in, just like that. And then we get this piece back into here. And then we put this to lock in, and then the puzzle, and then we put this piece back in this. Okay, wait a second. Something kind of doesn't work, but it doesn't matter. And do you like this puzzle? Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and I'm going to start my gaming YouTube.